Hello everyone, my name is Carlos Morales, and today I'm going to walk through how to get from scratch to your first neuralSPOT example AI model running in less than 90 seconds. And most of the time we'll be cloning it. So you just go to our handy Ambiq AI GitHub page, and you clone the entirety of neuralSPOT. It's big because it has TensorFlow in it, Ambiq Suite, and a number of other components such as CMSys. Once it's done, we'll walk through how to compile it, deploy it to your EVB, and get it running. You do need an EVB for this. Now, it's compiled. You go into neuralSPOT, type make -J because we're always in a hurry around here. You do need a Apollo 4 family EVB, and you need a microphone because this is going to be an audio demo. Now, what it did is it compiled the entirety of neuralSPOT, and 3 examples. You'll see down here, you have the RPC client example, which shows you how to do an RPC client, IPC server example, NPU data collection example. Those are all RPC kind of tutorials. And then the important one, which is the basic TensorFlow stuff. And this is the default example. So when I type make deploy, if I don't specify anything else, it will just deploy that one. So it's using JLink to deploy it. I just did this, so the flash is the same. It won't recompile, it won't reflash. And then finally, make view will fire up the SWO viewer. And that's it. I'm not even sure that took a minute. So I'm going to hit reset on the EVB over here. And it is now listening once I hit the button 0. I'm going to use a little microphone here. And I'm going to give it one of the commands that it's programmed to listen to. Right. There, I got it right. So with 99% certainty, that model decided that I said right. It can also do down. Oop. It didn't quite pick that one. Let me hold it a little closer. Down. Okay. Left. Yes. No. There you have it. 0 to running your first model in however long that was. Thank you.